Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Larry from Diecast by Larry. We're here today to unbox and review the latest M2 Machines Coca-Cola Release A32 set. Before I get this box cracked open, I do just want to give a brief rundown of what the M2 Coca-Cola line is all about. There are a few different product types that you could go hunt for. You got the clamshells, which is a 1/64 scale. You have the larger 1/24 scale as well. And you also have the Coca-Cola Holers made by M2 Machines. Holers are actually what got me into collecting diecast in general, let alone M2 Machines. So, I love the M2 Coca-Cola line, especially the Holer sets. Now, the Coca-Cola releases are great for diecast collectors, but also Coca-Cola product collectors in general. I mean, they're awesome. There's different releases, coming out all the time, and they're always changing up the cars and the skins on them. There's different flavors that you could find, like Coke, Diet Coke, Sprite, Mr. Pibb. So there's something for everyone that's a Coca-Cola collector in general, not just the diecast collectors. And if you're lucky enough, during the holiday season, if you score the exclusive Walmart releases that come in the shippers that you see behind me, the sidekicks, it's also a great way to display your Coca-Cola products. So while you're going out there and picking up a set, if you're lucky enough to snag one of these sidekicks, you could display your bottles on it, your cans, any kind of knickknacks that you have. So it's a great way to also find something to display your stuff. So with that being said, now let's get this box cracked open. I'm really excited. These are actually currently hitting stores. So I've seen them posted on like Facebook and Instagram and stuff like that. But I actually really like this set. I like the graphics on it and the different decals and stuff like that. So I'm excited to open this one. All right, cool. All right, so we're going to start here from this side of the box. The first car out is going to be the 1966 Dodge Charger Gasser. Now this thing is awesome. I'm a big fan of the American flag type, skin on it. The red, white, and blue with the stars and stripes and everything like that. I'm a huge collector of any kind of American flag M2 products. So I really absolutely love this one. It's absolutely beautiful. So great one to crack open. I love the gassers too. M2 came out with it for the past couple of years, the gassers, and they look great. So you typically get 2 per case. So if you're buying a full case from a hobby dealer, or if you wind up finding a full case at Walmart or anything like that, you'll get 2 of each per case. There's typically 3 different cars per set, or 3 different castings per set. And, you may find a chase. There's usually 1 to 3 chases per M2 Coca-Cola set. So look out for those elusive chases. Second car up is going to be the 1976 GMC Sierra Grande 15 Custom. If you watched my last video, you guys know I'm not a huge truck collector, but I love the bedless. This is in the Diet Coke skin. So it's pretty cool. Like I said, there's different kind of, the Dodge Charger was the Coke skin. This is the Diet Coke skin. So the bedless truck looks great. Don't mistake it for a raw. It's not a raw. It is silver paint. There is a chase with red wheels on it and stuff, and red trim and stuff like that. So look out for that as well. Now, the last one, I actually really like this one. I'm also not a huge van collector, but I love this like graffiti style almost, skin and decal on it. It's a 1965 Ford Econoline Delivery van. So this came out really, really cool. It's just different. I haven't seen a Coke release that looks like this yet. Like I said before, M2 is constantly changing up what they're doing with these cars. So, you're not going to keep getting the same thing over and over. So this is a beautiful one. I really like this one. I've been excited to see this one in person. So that is pretty cool. And I started the way I did because I checked real quick when I cracked the case. But we did get the chase of it. So like I said, look out for the chases. You're going to see different color trim on it, different color wheels. I'm eventually going to do a video that shows different style type chases because M2 does not put the sticker on the clamshells or boxes anymore. So you really got to know what you're looking for. Make sure you keep watching my videos so that you can see these sets and know what you're looking for. This is awesome. And also as well as checking out M2's like Facebook page, Instagram, website. Once they release it, they'll post it on there and they'll show you what the different chases are. So make sure you follow that. Make sure you keep following my videos here. Here's the beautiful set with chase. Very cool. I'm excited to open this. I have a couple more videos planned out, so stay tuned. Keep your eyes open. I definitely really appreciate everybody that's watching and subscribing and stuff like that. Please like the video, subscribe. I got a bunch of great comments on the last video asking me questions and stuff like that. So keep the questions coming. Definitely appreciate you guys watching today. Stay safe out there. Happy hunting, and you guys have a great day. Thank you.